Okay, so we want to make a triangular prism. So this is part A. So that means that the base is a triangle. And a prism means that it goes up like this. And the top also looks like a triangle. And there we go. So then in part B, we want to find the number of faces. So we can see 2 on the bottom. 2 plus the 3, 1, 2, 3 rectangles. So we get 5 faces in total. We want to then calculate the number of edges. The number of edges, we see 1, 2, 3 there on the top, 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, and then 1, 2, 3 going up and down. So we get 9 in total. Next, we want to find the number of vertices. So we see 1, 2, 3 on the top, on the corners, and 1, 2, 3 on the bottom. So we get 6 vertices in total. Then we want to show that Euler's formula works. So Euler's formula was F plus V minus E gives us 2. So the faces we found was 5. We found 6 vertices and 9 edges. 5 plus 6 minus 9 does give us 2, and so left side equals right side, and Euler's formula does work.